Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to view certificates in Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Chapter 1. Where to view certificates in Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome, then click on the Options menu and then click on Settings. Now you will go to the Privacy and Security section, then click on Security. Then you are going to click on the Manage Device Certificates option and a pop-up window will open. Here it is possible to browse the different types of certificates. If you want, you can double-click on any to see full details. Chapter 2. Where to view certificates in Edge. To get started, open Microsoft Edge, then click on the menu and then click on Settings. Here, click on the Privacy, Search, and Services section. Now find and click on Manage Certificates. Again, a pop-up window opens. In this window, you can navigate through the different tabs to see the types of certificates and see the details of any of them if you need it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.